Okay guys, so you may have noticed an improvement in the lighting in my videos in the shop here. There's a reason for that. I've teamed up with Hyperikon. I did some videos for their YouTube channel. In exchange, we have converted the shop completely over to LED. Everything from our T8s here above the desk to the T12s along the workbench there, also some in the back, and all of our E39 corn bulbs, they call them, have been replaced. I did some videos a while back on converting these big shop lights. I converted to one of their 54 watts or 56 watts, I forget what it is. I've since gone to the 125 watt is what we went with on all these. And let me tell you guys, they are bright. The shop has never been this bright, even when it was brand new. So pretty impressed with that. Like I said, I have a video. Not on the 125 watts, but on the bulb that I got from them a while back. And like I said, these T12s have all been replaced. We used to have 2 8-footers here. We've got, I went with 4 4-footers there. I just stuck them inside the original 8-foot housings. They fit right inside there. So that was pretty easy. And all of these lights are 5000K. That's what I went with. It's a really nice white light. But I mean, it is super bright in here now. I mean, it's amazing. These little T8s, I converted them to. And it's just a really nice white light, guys. Such a crisp, you can see things clear, seems like. And I've also got a conversion video for the 4-footers, the T12s. I think I did a 6000K in those. That's when I had them hanging up on the ceiling when we were blowing out ballasts in those big shop lights. Blowing the ballasts out, and then you know, them big shop lights are expensive, so we never did replace them. But now with the LED conversion, you don't need the ballast, you replace it. And you know, I think it's comparable cost if you know, to buy a new fixture or to do LED. But with LED, you're losing the ballast and you're going to save a lot of energy. One thing I am going to do is I'm going to do another video in a month or two, and we'll see what kind of energy savings we're having with these, with all these LED. Because like I said, the whole shop's been converted to LED now. And another thing, I'm going to stop talking here, and you're going to listen for a second. Now, if you've watched my other videos, you can sometimes notice this buzzing noise. I've had a lot of people comment about it. Over the years, I've kind of really not noticed it much. You know, you in here all the time, it kind of goes away. But the buzzing noise is gone, no more buzzing. But really happy with these guys. I mean, energy savings, no buzzing. Brighter light, whiter light. You know, it's win-win all the way around. Plus, these are supposed to last longer. You know, we'll see here. I'll, you know, keep updating, and you know, we'll see what happens with these. I bought the Hyperikon bulbs, I think. It's probably over a year ago. No issues with either of them. I did replace them because they were 6,000 K, I believe. I've gone with 5,000 K now with everything. The shop lights, the T12s, everything's 5,000 K now. And I kind of like that light. It's a nice white light. One other advantage with these LED lights is they are instant on. So you can shut them off, turn them back on, and they're instant on. Those other bulbs with the ballast and everything, once you shut them off, you better wanted them off, because when you turn them back on, it takes a while for them to actually get to full strength, full brightness. So the instant on is really a nice thing with these LED lights. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Just wanted to do a lighting update on the shop. Some of you might have noticed the better lighting in the videos. I know it's just so nice in here with all this light that it's amazing. Like I said, the shop's never been this bright. Even when it was brand new and the walls were all clean and not dirty, it's never been this bright. So real happy with the Hyperikon LED lights. And like I said, I'll do an update video. We'll see what kind of power savings we're getting with these. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.